CDL, ano siya? Cable. Ayan. Wala akong chance. Wala na lang siya. Mama. Chong.
Saint Joseph, no? Okay.
Okay. Good afternoon. Again, would like to call the order of the student conference for good services for contract ID 26JE, 26JEG, S002. Budget title procurement of construction materials and maintenance section for the application of pavement markings along Maharlika Highway. Kilometer 18 plus 1873 plus 00 to kilometer 1913 plus 00. Intermittent section. The approved EDC is 4,301,500 pesos. This meeting is being conducted in compliance with the 25 device FRR of RA 12009 live stream recorded to ensure transparency.
Attendance for today's meeting. Our chairperson, Engineer Cornelio Ilantay Jr. present. Our vice chairman, Engineer Antonio Peñaflor Jr. present. Our regular member, Ms. Vilma Francisco present. Our end user for maintenance project, Engineer Giselle Alameda present. End user for the construction project, si Engineer Rex. and then maintenance project, Engineer Araneta. Then our head technical working group, Engineer John Roy Sanson, present. Members, Engineer Jane Tubil, present. Our head back secretariat, Engineer Leo Daguntas, present. Members, the following: Engineer Eldan, present, and yours truly. We have one representative from AKA Construction and Trading, represented by Ms. Arsat Lourdes. That would be all, sir. Okay. For today's meeting for goods, this meeting is in quorum, sir, Mr. Chair.
Okay, the purpose of this training conference is to discuss, clarify, and explain the engineering requirements and technical financial components of the contract bid. This opportunity for prospective bidders to ask questions, consideration regarding the bidding document. So we ask the secretariat to discuss the materials of the budget.
Good afternoon. So, for this, under ID 26day AGS 0002. So, meron po tayong 3 items. I will just read them now. So, number 1, the pavement thermoplastic pavement marking white, thermoplastic pavement marking yellow, and thermoplastic pavement marking primer, which is the 16 liters or isang pail yun siya, or 1 pail, 16 liters. That's all. Questions sa leader?
Thank you for the bidders, prospective bidders. Please take note of the following checklist for the technical envelope, the bid securing declaration, bid security, technical specifications, production delivery schedule, warranty certificate, brochures of offered equipment, omnibus word statement, secretary certificate, and board resolution. For the financial envelope, the duly signed bid prices and the bid quantities, recurring and maintenance costs of applicable. The bidding follows a pass or fail criteria, any missing documents in the checklist is grounds for automatic rejection.
Now, we are open for questions from prospective bidders. You have a question? Yes, I know.
Regarding lang po sa ano to, sa delivery goods. Usually may kuwan tayo ng 2 months or 60 days. Tama ko sir. Okay, 60 days. Upon kuwan ba to? Approval ng PO. Okay. So, upon approval ng purchase ng PO. Pero gusto din namin sana encourage to deliver earlier kasi since na din ang natin nasa third quarter na tayo going port na kailangan namin habulin yung mga activities namin, especially itong thermoplastic para sa lane markings namin. So, yun lang. Hopefully, meaning either yung Wala. Pero,
So, we remind the viewers not to check the PWS website, keywords for any changes. There is now, proceed. But Secretary, to reiterate the key dates.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Deadline, the deadline for submission of bids is on August 3, 2026, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. The opening of bids will be on August 3, 2026, 10 a.m. sharp. Late bids shall not be accepted.
So, if there are no matters discussed, this two-week conference for this 26 AEGS was to approve is hereby adjourned. Thank you for attending.
Thank you, Mr.